Hi guys, this is Jho Cervantes, your North Central Territory Sales Manager with Xybix Systems. I'm here today at Ohio Health Protective Services, and I am so excited that they finally got this installed and ready to go. One of the key features I really want to point out is the AXYS Systems. So what it is a climate control systems. They currently have it downloaded on their Bluetooth, but we also offer using it on a tablet, or we can go ahead and download it on your Windows like iOS and stuff like that. So what I'm going to go ahead and show you the cool features of this is there is task lighting that I'm going to go ahead and control with their phone right here. Notice how I just turned it off. Turn it back on. There is a dimmer on that, which is pretty awesome. Another cool feature is going to be their foot lighting. So if you notice on their feet, I'm going to go ahead and change the color. Let's go ahead and do some yellow. So now it's nice and bright and yellow, right? Now I'm going to go ahead and change it back. We're going to go into the bias lighting. That's going to be right underneath the monitors. So bias lighting is essential. Think about when you are in a dark space. So typically this room is always in a dark space. So having some sense of light and some source of lighting is really essential to make sure that you're being able to write, see things on your work surface. So I'm going to go ahead and change that color to that light blue. Okay, so there's various colors that you could go ahead and choose from on that. Now, another thing, the arc lighting. Now their arc lighting is actually wired up to this really cool alarm system that they have going on. They've been able to integrate with other of their vendors. So whenever there is an alarm going off, it shoots off a different color. That was some awesome access that they got through our system and their vendors to make sure that they combine them. So it can shoot either red, blue, white, green, whatever their alarm code is set to be. So I'm not going to touch that one just yet, just because that is set up for them. Not only is it just the lighting for AXYS, but they have the ability to use their heaters. So I can turn their heaters on, right? Saw that light turning on. I can turn them back off. Now there's that portion. You're cold, you turn on the heater. But what happens to the person next to you that is always hot? We also have a fan for that. So the fan is right underneath on top of the roller vision, which I will get to. But that fan, you can turn it on and off. You can't really see that feature, but you can definitely feel it. You can make sure you speed it up. You can also slow it down. Now, with that being said, you do have the ability to control your desk to move up and down. So if I want to change that, I'm going to go ahead and change the monitor height a little bit higher, and it's automatically going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and follow that with the keyboard surface and change it up as well. What's awesome about AXYS is that you can create various settings. So you can create unlimited number, whether it's me sitting, me standing, different lighting features. I highly recommend that AXYS is a solution for your center, especially when you have many operators at one desk. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. There is going to be an awesome feature where we can go ahead and dial down. So AXYS, what I just showed you, was everything that we have to offer. We can offer a couple of those if you don't need the whole package. Again, let me know how I can help you and what works best for your center. Again, my name is Jho, your North Central Territory Manager, and I'm happy to help.